the year, and I wanted to start off by watching a movie and relaxing. I didn't go out last night. I did a lot of meditating. I did a lot of just personal thinking and writing my resolutions down and just really trying to create a great space for myself going into the new year. So that was nice. I was pretty nervous about going out, I'm not gonna lie, with the new variant and with all this stuff that's going on. I'm just like, let's just be safe, and then tonight for the first we'll just like kind of hang out and possibly do something. So yesterday around 8 o'clock, that's when I just started meditating and relaxing all the way up until like 2 a.m. It was just something that I wanted to do. New Year's is always close to my heart just because it's day one of 365 days, and as an entrepreneur, a mother, and a partner, I always just want to set goals and stuff for myself and just put myself in some new energy and vibrations and just positive things. So I did that yesterday, which I was really like happy about. We're in Pittsburgh this year for New Year's. It's pretty cold here, not much going on. We did get invited to a couple places, but honestly, I think we were just really focused on being home this year and honestly just staying safe. So today we're gonna do a cheese board, and I'm gonna put a movie on. Let's open up these cheeses, shall we? Let them lay across. Make sure your hands are really clean when you do this. We do a lot of touching cheeses. So we did different cheeses this time from our first board. I feel like my first board was just a ton of cheese. I'm probably gonna come back to this. I'm gonna go back and forth.
Happy New Year, everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying their first day. Check out my cheese board I did. It looks so good. So excited to eat this. I hope you guys are loving my filter.